everyone, Alexis from HomerunMonkey here with Wilson's Glove Guru also to go over the different constructions and materials that are used in the Wilson A2K line of baseball gloves, the A2000, and the A1K baseball gloves. So also, could you explain the difference between the leathers in the A2K, A2000, and the A1K baseball gloves?
A2000 is we call pro stock leather, done in Japan. We use on both of them. And A1K, because we need softer tonnage, we need to have a different tannery to make it happen. But really good tannery, they are making baseball glove leather only, and they experience so long, 30, 40 years.
Okay, so you're still, with the A1K, you're still going to get 30, 40 years of tanning experience.
Yes.
At that factory.
Yes.
And then the A2K and the A2000, the leather for those is going to be the same?
A little bit different each other. A2K is 5%, top 5% selected top pro stock leather.
Okay,
and
so the top 5%, best of the best, that's what goes on the A2K.
Yes, and also cut off the belly part. For A2000, of course, really good leather. We selected from hide itself. Not the leather, but starting from hide, we selected hide.
Okay.
And then shipped to, that's from US, and shipped to really experienced tanner in Japan. Like a 50 years experience tanning only baseball glove leather.
So the pro stock leather, the pros will actually use?
Yes, 85% is A2000 are pro using, and maybe 15% or so using A2K, A2K.
Okay, and then the A1K is?
A1K is for younger youth players, younger kids, so that he can play a little bit softer and so really quick breaking period.
There's also a super skin option that you guys offer on some of your gloves. What is super skin? What's the difference between super skin and leather?
Our Japanese maker, very good PU makers. They use microfibers, really durable material. Microfiber is long fibers going together like this.
So it's interlocked.
Like a leather fiber as well. Leather fiber do like this way, very much. That's why very strong.
Right.
But microfiber is longer fibers we can use.
Okay.
So therefore, this is lighter weight, but very durable material.
So if you're a player that's looking for something lightweight but still durable, you'd want to go with super skin. And like you said, it's a PU material on the outside and then a microfiber within it.
Microfiber, yes.
I noticed on the inside of the glove, for the wrist padding right here, can you kind of go over what that material is and what that's all about?
This is the one we call airflow pad, made by dry Rex material. Become very dry, very quick. And the airflow pad, a groove here, makes a little bit moisture out quicker.
So it's going to moisture wick and take away any sweat or anything that's built up in there?
That's right.
Why would you want to go away from wool or wool blend?
Actually, wool is good feel.
Right.
But thinking about playing in hot weather, sweat so much, and wool material, good for winter. Right. However, we think not so good for very hot summer, especially for athlete moving around and sweat. I think this is the best way to do it.
Well, thank you so much for going over all the different materials that are used within the line of gloves and the differences. You can find all the Wilson baseball gloves, the A2K, A2000, and A1K at HomerunMonkey.com or at any of our Monkey Sports superstores. Thanks.
Thank you very much.